Hi, you wanna hide or unhide photos on the iPhone 16? Then open the Photos app, and here you can either choose a photo, then tap on the three dots and select to hide it, or you can use the select button, select it by swiping the photos. In my case, 4 photos has been selected, then tap on the three dots and then move it to the hide folder and confirm that you are hiding those 4 photos. And now we just need to swipe down like that to see the hidden folder. Tap it to view those photos, and for that we will need to unlock it with the help of Face ID or the password. So just tap the blue button View Album, scan your Face ID, and now here is your hidden photos. So to unhide them you will need to select them once more, tap on the three dots, and then choose to unhide those photos. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.